Alright everybody, welcome back to the Three Palms Homestead. It's afternoon here now, and I've been doing a little planting this morning, but I've got some plants left over. I thought I'd give you a quick greenhouse tour. We've got some yellow bell peppers here. They're there, but not thriving yet. We've got some Roma tomatoes here. As you can see, I turned the tray around because the plants on this side were looking much better than the ones on that side. So these are some spare watermelons, Jubilee watermelons that I have. Got them in case I need to replace some plants in the garden. Got about 10 or 12 or so viable jack-o'-lantern pumpkins left. I planted 10, one at the end of each of the rows in the main garden. And hopefully I won't need to replace any, and I can put these in another garden spot. These are some Serrano peppers. They're not doing well either. I need to figure out what their major malfunction is. Even though I put 52 okra plants in the garden on that one row, I still have about 33 of these plants left. These are some more Roma tomatoes, or these are Roma tomatoes that need to be sprayed up. We got some beefsteaks, and they are looking absolutely gorgeous. These are some more beefsteak tomatoes, and they are looking absolutely gorgeous. We've got a mix of eggplant and cauliflower in here, and the conditions are mixed on those as well. These are some yellow bell peppers, and they're looking better than the ones over there. We got some red bell peppers. They need to be trayed up or just go ahead and plant directly in the garden. That's a chili to sin pepper. It's a hot pepper. I guess I read that right. It's doing pretty good. I need to try and get them planted into the garden, but they need some time to recover first. And I guess that's about it for today. If you don't mind, give us a like and a subscribe. Comment some what you see, what you think we can do better, what you think we're doing pretty good. And we'll see you next time.